Hey guys, Greg here with Greg Pittman Drone and Tech. We're getting ready to set flight here in Pearson Park. I've got the Mavic Air 2 with me, and we're going to see what we can't get today on this. Give me a minute here to get this thing fired up and get it going. We're just going to do a hand launch today. Now, it is cloudy, and I do have an ND8 on filter. It's polarized. So hopefully we'll get some good shots. And I get to try out my nifty new fly gloves. Launch these, yeah. Alright, it says go fly. Let's see what we got here. I'll skip that. I guess I got an update and didn't know it. Confirm. Okay. Let's see what we have here. It's normal, everything is good. As soon as we get some satellites here, looks like we do have. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing up in the air. Let's get her going. It's pretty windy out here today. Volume up some. Let's get it up here to where we can grab some home point advantage here. It's pretty cloudy today. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to fly this thing with these gloves on. We're going to find out. Get a peek here, get it set down. We're going to go down over towards the lake here. Okay. More towards the lake at 100. I want to get it up a little bit higher. Up to about 150. That's good. Go down over and take a look at the lake. Bring it back around this way. Let's stop and take a look around here. Looks like we got some people down there fishing, some diehards. Looking for the skate park, see if anybody's at the skate park. There's our skate park. Zoom in on that a little bit. I need to start recording. I'll zoom in a little bit more here. Yeah, we got people down there skating. Look at that. Let's go on over that way some more. Down there having fun at the skate park, but it's awful cold to be out there skateboarding. You fall, it's going to hurt. It is cold and it is windy. Let's go ahead and zoom back out of that. They're down there having fun. Go look down into the water here. See what we have. Just muddy old water. Okay, get that turned around there. Bring it on around here. And we'll bring it on back up this way. Right here. Okay, let's go. Actually, as soon as I can get it there. We're going over this way. Gather some height on our way over. It's a football field over there. Let's go ahead and stop it right there. We'll zoom in on it. See what it says, manned aircraft. Okay, we need to turn this thing around here.
Manned aircraft approaching. Fly at a safe altitude.
Let's get it coming back over this way. Here we go. Where are we at here? Right here. Let's come home.
Manned aircraft too close. Fly at a safe altitude.
Bringing it down. Okay.
Manned aircraft approaching. Fly at a safe altitude.
Okay, we got it. Okay, the manned aircraft is gone. It did get kind of close though. Sport mode here. Now we're just going to fly it a little bit. Where are we at on battery? We're at 77. So I got plenty of battery. I'm sorry about turning so fast. There we go. Let's go over this way and see what we got. Where's the 100 foot? We need to go up. Go up. Go over here and see what's in that field. Right there. I hear another plane coming. It's unusual to have these planes flying around here this low. That wind's picking up. There's the lake again. Oh man, I'm freezing to death out here. It's cold. Just turn back around towards us and then I'll bring her back. Bring her on home. Let's kick her out of sport mode. Fingers getting numb. Alright guys, that's enough for this old geezer for today. Right now I gotta get in and warm up. Okay, that was a good flight. Had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button. And if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing. This is Greg Pittman, and I'm out. See you later. Bye.